Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on Microsoft Surface Go 3. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and move to our settings. Now locate the apps and then default apps. Here find whichever app you want to set as a default app, and in this case let's go for Edge browser. Click on the app and then in the top right corner you should see set as a default. Click on that and it should be changed to your default apps in all of the extensions. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.